Boy heard strange sounds while sleeping. When he checked downstairs, he was shocked. Nicholas was house-sitting for his grandma while she was on a trip to Florida. He had locked all the doors and gone to bed early. Unable to sleep, he scrolled through his phone for an hour. That's when he began hearing a weird voice outside. It was a woman softly saying, "Hello," over and over. Curious, but cautious, Nicholas walked slowly to the dining room window to peek outside. He saw an older woman standing in front of the house. She was looking straight at him through the curtains with a creepy smile. Nicholas froze. Why would anyone be standing there at midnight, not knocking or ringing the bell? Feeling worried, he went back to his bedroom, shut the door, and tried to calm down. Just when he thought the woman had left, a loud banging sound came from downstairs. Click the like button and comment "old woman" for part 2.